Free Palestine. Free Palestine. What is Palestine asking for? Freedom for Palestine. Freedom for Palestine. What freedom is Palestine looking for? Is Palestine claiming to be the owner of Jerusalem? Yes. Do Palestine want to be the owner of Bethlehem? Yes. Do Palestine also want to be the owner of Nazareth? Yes. Will Palestine allow the Jews to rebuild their temple in Jerusalem? No. Will Palestine also want to be an independent state of Palestine? Yes. Will also the Palestine allow the Jews to be an independent state of Israel? No. And who is the owner of Jerusalem? And who is the owner of Nazareth? And who is the owner of Bethlehem? Will the Jews allow Palestine to become the owner of Jerusalem? No. Will the Jews also allow the Palestine to take control of Bethlehem? No. Will the Jewish people allow Palestine to become the owner of Nazareth? No. Do the Arabs support the Palestine to become an Islamic state of Palestine? Yes. Do America and Britain support Israel to become a Jewish state of Israel? Yes. Do United Nations permit for the two states to be created? Yes. Did Israel accept for the two states to be created? Yes. Did Palestine also accept for the two states to be created? No. Do the Arabs accept that only the Palestine state should only remain? Yes. In the year 1948, was the State of Israel created by the United Nations? Yes. Did the Arabs and Palestine go to war against the newly created State of Israel in 1948? Yes. Did the Arabs win the war against Israel? No. Did the Israel defeat the Arabs in the war? Yes. Has Israel fought many wars with the Arabs since the year 1948? Yes. The question is, who is the owner of that piece of land in the Middle East? Only time we decide the rightful owner of the land in the Middle East. I sue for peace, but anybody who comes to equity must come with clean hands. Let there be justice, let there be fairness, and let there be peace in the Middle East. I pray for Jerusalem. You are welcome. Written by C.N. Christ. Culled from the book titled Focus on Jerusalem. Email contact afroweb@gmail.com.